Here's the part that surprises almost every Pennsylvania family. Pennsylvania taxes what your own children inherit, not a distant cousin, not a friend, your kids, 4.5% on what you leave them. I am not a lawyer. I settled an estate myself, and the inheritance tax was the first thing I had to actually understand. So here is the plain English version for Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania's inheritance tax is not based on how big the estate is. It is based on who inherits. The rate changes with the relationship, and it is a flat percentage. No brackets, no sliding scale. A surviving spouse pays nothing. Zero. Charities and government, also nothing. And there is one more exemption people miss. A parent inheriting from a child age 21 or younger also pays nothing. Children, grandchildren, parents, grandparents, the direct line, 4.5%. Brothers and sisters, 12%. Everyone else. Nieces, nephews, friends, and unmarried partner, 15%. So the same $100,000 is taxed completely differently depending on who receives it. To a child, about $4,500. To a sibling, $12,000. To a niece or nephew, $15,000. Same money, same estate. Three different answers. Now, some good news. Pennsylvania has an inheritance tax, but it does not have a separate state estate tax. There is a federal estate tax, but it only reaches estates in the 8-figure range, so most families never touch it. One tax to plan around, not two. Here is the deadline, and this is where real money gets left on the table. The Pennsylvania Inheritance Tax Return, Form REV 1500, is generally due 9 months after the date of death. But pay within 3 months, and Pennsylvania gives you a 5% discount on the tax, 5% for paying early. On a $50,000 tax bill, that is $2,500 simply for filing sooner. Most executors never hear about it because nobody sends you a letter explaining it. If the estate has the cash and you can estimate the tax, that discount is worth a conversation with a tax professional in the first 90 days. One honest caution. What I just gave you are the rates and the deadlines, not advice about your estate. Exemptions, deductions, and jointly held property can all change the math. Confirm your numbers with the Pennsylvania Department of Revenue, your county register of wills, or a CPA before you file. If you want to see what this looks like for a real number, there is a free Pennsylvania inheritance tax calculator on our site. Pick the relationship, enter the amount, and it shows the tax, including the 5% early payment discount. No email needed. That is at executorpilot.com. And if you are the executor and you want every deadline dated to your estate, plus the letters in the record system, the Pennsylvania Compliance Kit is there too. One question at a time, you can do this.